we are ready for mid-module review day 2. Now the reason we did 2 days is because we've done a lot so far in module 4. And today our formatting is different. We're going to do our review, your assignment is going to be in quizzes, which is in Canvas, because your test is going to be in Canvas. So yesterday we did one in Nearpod because that matches how we've been practicing. And today we're going to review with quizzes in Canvas because this matches the format of the test. So we can practice the formatting. Very much similar, honestly, almost the same questions, but the format is different. So, depicted here we see place value chart showing us the arrow way to solve a couple problems. So, what it says here, and what we're going to do, see there's a blank. There's a blank in this sentence. It says 1 less than 25 is blank. Well, here we have the place value chart used to solve that problem. It says 1 less, which is I'm making a change where? In the ones place. Good. So my 2 10s are untouched. I did nothing to them. I'm taking away 1. So from 5 ones, I'm taking away 1, leaving me with 4 ones. So the answer to the first question, filling in this blank, 1 less than 25 is 24. So you'll be given the picture, and it'll also suggest to you that you have paper and pencil so you can work and write, because you can't write on the test. So that's going to be a strong suggestion, either paper and pencil or your whiteboard and eraser, so you can actually work it out, and then you put your answer into your device. So the next one reads 10 less than 25 is blank. Here we see the place value chart to match that statement. Using the arrow way to solve the problem. We are taking away a group of 10, which means my 1s remain unchanged. I'm not touching them, they're chilling. But if I take away a group of 10, so if I have 2 10s, or had in the past 2 10s, I took away 1 10, I'm left with 1 10. 2 10s minus 1 10 is equal to 1 10, which means 10 less than 25 is 15. 10 less than 25 is 15. So like I said, you'll work that out. Paper, pencil, put in the computer, the answer to the question. Alright, that's one problem type. One formatting difference. So I don't ever want to see you guys out there without background information. This one, same thing. Give you a picture. So if you were to have this on paper, on your paper or your board, you could draw that's my drawing of a dime, right? Yeah, so I could draw it like that to help me solve the problem. And then I could use the crossing out strategy, because here it says 10 less than 32. 10 less than 32. Am I taking away a dime or a penny? A dime, good. So 10 less than 32. And what, like I said, you have with you your paper and your pencil. And okay, here's my dime, dime, dime. Penny, penny. Cross out my dime. And then count what's left. Oh, 10 less than 32 is, I turn in my answer to the question, 22. The next one, same picture. We're not comparing those. We're using these pictures to help us answer these questions. So see what it says, draw the coins on paper and cross off 10s and 1s as needed. 1 less than 32 is, fill in the blank. So, my first question to you, 1 less than 32. Am I crossing off a 1 or am I crossing off a 10? I'm crossing off a 1. I'm crossing off a penny. So 1 less than 32 is 31. Excellent. Good job. 31. 1 less than 32 is 31. Good job. So it gives the directions right here. It says draw the coins on paper. Use paper and pencil to help you work through these problems and turn in your answers. See? So this is where it says start with the top box, put the numbers in order from least to greatest. You have seen that before where I tell you to put things in order. You have to drag and move the pieces in order. So if I want these in order from least to greatest, which number should I drag to the top, which I can't do right here? Which number should I drag to the top? I should drag 12 to the top. Good. 12 is the least. It's the smallest. Because 12 is 1, 10, 2 ones. What's the next number in this set? I'm going to drag 17 up to the second spot because 17 is 1, 10, and 7 ones. What number is going to need to be moved into the third position? 20. Good. 2 10s. I'm going to drag down here, and then the fourth and final number is already where it belongs. 27 is the greatest number in this set, and it's already at the bottom. So I'm going to leave it alone. It's there already. They already did the work. Thank you. So like I said, there will be some dragging things around, which you've done before. That's nothing new. Okay, now this one, and one thing I do know how to do, I know how to make a place value chart with blanks in it. So you will be prompted to fill in the blanks on some of them to make things true. You'll be prompted to fill in the blank, and I'm going to make greater than, less than, equal to, where you have to tell me what goes here, kind of more of a multiple choice situation, because in order to click these buttons on your keyboard, you have to actually push 2 buttons at once, and that's not fair. I'm going to work that out for you, so don't worry about it. So first what we're going to do, it says on paper, write each number in the place value charts using greater than, less than, or equal to make a true sentence. Well, what we're also going to do on a piece of paper, what can we always do? Draw a picture. Even if the book does not provide you space, you can get additional paper and you can draw a picture. Let's draw, and not on ourselves, the number 13, 1 10, and 3 1s. Good. Let's draw the number 30. 3 10s and 0 1s. So keeping these numbers in this order, if I fill in the place value chart, what will make this sentence true? 13, 1 10, and 3 1s is blank 30. Less than, excellent. And this symbol means less than. Just like this symbol means to add, and this symbol means to subtract, and this symbol means equal, this symbol means less than. Affectionately referred to as the alligator. The alligator eats the bigger number. Okay? Like I said, I'm not going to ask you to type that in. Alright, but I will ask you to do things like this. You see, anytime there's an empty box, empty space, that means there's something for you to do. Something for you to do, right? Okay. How many peanuts are there? You better not count the peanuts in the bag, but putting them in the bag, we have agreed that that is a group of 10. Good. And how many groups of 10 do we have? 2. And how many loose peanuts are there? 4, meaning there are how many peanuts? 24 peanuts. Good. My question now, with the carrots, what's happening? There's 1 bunch and 6 loose carrots, meaning I have 16 carrots. Great work. Now this time, the words are given. This is the symbol that matches these words. This symbol means the same thing as these words, meaning the larger number needs to go first. So in this case, 24 is greater than 16. 24 is greater than 16 because there's more peanuts than carrots. More peanuts than carrots. Good job. Different problem types. Y'all got this. Alright, so what is this problem type? Ooh, yes, this is the arrow way. This is the arrow way. And you see how they have the fill in the blanks? Yeah, I know how to do that. So I will put questions like this for you. I will put questions like this. Alright, so we're starting with 1, 10, and 3 1s. 13. And we're adding, we're moving up by 20, which is 2 groups of 10. So let's increase the tens place from one group of 10, we're going to increase it by 2 groups of 10. So from one group of 10, we need an additional 2 groups of 10. So what is the digit in the tens place now? 3. We have 3 tens, which is valued at 30. Did anything happen in the ones place? No. My ones stayed the same, meaning that my answer is 33. Good job. Now, what do we have here? 0 tens and 9 ones. Good. So 0 groups of 10, but we have 9 ones. Okay. Now, in this, we are again increasing by 3 groups of 10 because this 3 is in the tens place, which means from no tens, remember we said 0 is our number symbol to represent none. Numbers are symbols, letters are symbols, words are groups of symbols, symbols are symbols. So from 0 tens, we're going to increase by 3 tens. So no tens plus 3 tens is 3 tens. Now, check out my ones place. Did anything happen in the ones place? No. Which means my solution is 39. Excellent. My solution is 39. Great work. My solution is 39. Good job. Okay. Now this time we're going to use our quick tens. We're going to do some quick ten drawing. And what you will do is on your paper and pencil, on your piece of paper, you will draw this out. On your computer, you will submit your response. Yes? Yes. All right. So what do we have here? So 20 is 2 tens, and we have 1 10. Okay, well, modeling it. 2 tens and 1 10. What is that? 3 tens. What is the value of 3 tens? 30. So 20 plus 10 is 30. Good. The next question reads, 40 minus 30 equals blank. This time we're starting with the whole, taking away a part and looking for the missing part because we are subtracting. We're taking away. So let's draw the whole. And then let's take away. So taking away, so we're starting again with the whole. Here's our whole. Take away 1, 10, 20, 30. 3 groups of 10. Take away 30. So our strategy on what our instructions say is we're supposed to cross it out. Cross it out. So that shows the whole. That shows the subtraction. And it leaves us with the result that 40 minus 30 is equal to 10. Remember, 4 tens minus 3 tens equals 1 10. 4 balls minus 3 balls equals 1 ball. All we're doing is by changing the unit, we're changing the value. By changing the unit, we're changing the value. I think, do I have any more? We'll find out in a second now, won't we? I don't, but I do have an answer to the question of when is your test, and it is tomorrow. From today, review day 2, your test is tomorrow. And it will look more similarly to this here. It'll look more similarly to this here. There will be some extra credit opportunities, which will require you to take and turn in pictures. I'll tell you what it is I'm looking for. And if you turn those, you send those in, and you can earn some extra credit. So until then, unless you have any questions, I will see you later.